How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get six-pack abs, step-by-step, instant gains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So to get six-pack abs, you guys, what you have to do is two things have to happen, or one of two things need to happen. One, you need to be a low body fat percentage. Everyone really, like most people know this, you got to be lean, but it's not just having a low body fat percentage, because I've seen people 4, 5, 6% body fat. They don't have abs at all. They can't see them. So why is that? And that's the second reason. They don't have the ab muscle developed. If you want to see abs, you need the muscle to be developed. So a lot of times people, bodybuilders, powerlifters that train their abs, most of them are doing that right. They're training their abs are strong, but a lot of times for these people, they're sitting at 12, 14, 15% body fat, which is still just a little bit high to see the abs. Once you start getting down to that 10% body fat range, the abs really start to show. That's if you're doing bodybuilding and powerlifting where you're actually training your abs, or indirectly training them with the power lifts, the squat, the deadlift. You can get six-pack just from doing squat and deadlift. But a lot of times those guys that are bodybuilding and powerlifting, they don't see the abs till 10%. You'll have the other guys that are more like physique, or maybe they train at home with no weights or anything. These guys may be a low body fat percentage, 7 or 8%, but they still don't see their abs. That's because they haven't developed the ab muscle. Now, you can develop abs using ab exercises, but it's way easier to use weights. Using weights, doing ab weighted exercises is way easier to get six-pack. So again, those two things usually have to kind of correlate. One, low body fat percentage, but two, you need the ab muscle developed. That's how you get six-pack. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.